Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have for you baked donuts with baking powder, and they are so easy to make, and as you can see, super pretty. I'm gonna use 75 grams of melted butter. I use the microwave to melt it and I let it cool down. 140 grams of sugar, 1 egg. It didn't fit here in the camera, but you will see it when I'm gonna use it. 140 grams of sour cream, 60 milliliters of lemon juice freshly squeezed, 170 grams of flour, lemon zest as well from one lemon. Flour here, 170 grams, as I said, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, fresh raspberries, and vanilla extract. I will start with the egg, have it here in a bowl. I'll add a pinch of salt. All desserts need some salt. And I'm gonna use my mixer. And I'll add gradually the sugar. Keep on mixing until the sugar starts to dissolve and the egg will change color, and also will incorporate lots of air into this mixture, so lots of volume. Next, I will incorporate butter melted. I use the microwave, as I said, and I let it cool down and pour it over the batter in the same bowl and keep on mixing. Either you use a mixer like I do, or a whisk. Sour cream is next. Vanilla, about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Flour, I will add over the batter and incorporate it, still using the mixer. Lemon juice will give lots of flavor, the lemon juice, and lemon zest, of course. Baking powder and baking soda. I incorporated all dry ingredients, and I will grate some lemon zest now on a finer grade, only the yellow part because that's what we need. Use a spatula, making sure that everything is mixed together. And I will fill up a piping bag with this batter because it's gonna be easier to use to fill up the silicone molds. Put the batter in the silicone mold and preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius. Add fresh raspberries in the batter in the silicone molds and bake them in the oven for about 15 minutes. And in the meantime, I'm gonna make also a glaze. And I will use white chocolate, about 70 grams, and I'm melting over a hot water bath. 20 grams of whipping cream, food dyes, and sprinkles of choice. Let the chocolate melt, add whipping cream over. I will save some of this mixture white so I can decorate the donuts, and I need a bit of white. And in the rest I'm gonna add a bit of pink, a drop of pink. You can use the color of your choice. Mix it in, and I will take the donuts and dip them in this glaze that I just made and let the excess drip off and let them set. The glaze will cool down and will harden, so you're actually gonna be able to touch the donuts and the glaze will not come off. And I will proceed the same with all of them. And I will also decorate them with different sprinkles, and now I'm using that white chocolate that I just saved up, and donuts look pretty cute. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you here next time with another recipe. And I actually have another recipe with donuts baked in the oven again, so not fried, but I use yeast for those, so you can choose the recipe that you prefer, but this one with yeast is gonna be the next one. Thank you so much again. Have an awesome day and find reasons to smile. Bye.